Welcome to Man's Life Roulette. Today in this video we will learn about line bets. As you know, the table has 6 lines. Line number 1, line number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in 6 line bets you can cover the whole table, but the strategy is not to covering the whole table. You need to cover only the 5 lines out of the 6 line from the table, which means you covered 30 numbers out of 37 numbers from the table. So your chances of hitting a winning number will be high. But one problem with this trick is that whenever you lose a bigger amount, and whenever you win, you only win a smaller amount. So for this trick, I suggest you to go with a table where the table limit is too low. This trick is especially good for online roulettes where table limit is as low as $0.1. As you can see, I'm using this online roulette where the $0.1 is the minimum limit of the table, and I'm using that. And you can see my bank top corner at left top corner, my bankroll is at $25 alone, and I am going to make profit from this trick with that a smaller bankroll of $45 and 10.0.1 unit $0.1 bets, or I can call it a unit. And the trick is very simple. If you lose somewhere, if you win, then it's okay, you will make a profit of $0.1. But if you lose somewhere, then you will lose $0.5, and you have to recover your losses. So what you need to do is you can add something to your bet. Suppose I'm putting $1 bets at all these position, 5 different position of lines, then I lose my spin, then I need to add a 2 unit. Now it's become a 3 unit spin. Again I lose, then I again need to put 2 units. That will again 2 units. This is the progression. After every losses you need to add 2 units, and after every win you need to uh, decrease 1 unit from all 5 positions. This progression is quite important because you are going to win most of the numbers, most of the cases, most of the spins. So increasing your progression is not a problem, but recovering your losses is it will take some time because you are losing 5 and you are gaining only 1 unit. So let's see what is the trick and how you can maximize your profit. So let's go to the game. So for this trick I am using only $0.1 bats. That is my unit for this game, and I will continue the game for next 15 minutes and see whether this is profitable or not. So as you can see, my bankroll at the left top corner, that is 45, and I will go with the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sorry. 5. Yeah, only 5 bets, 5 line bets actually. And if I lose here, I will add 2 units to all the position. I just rebets and start adding 2 units to all the position. And if I win here, I will remain with the same $0.1 bets. So adding or increasing something after losses will helps in recovering your losses. But your basic objective is to get, okay, I want 10 cent or $0.1. So again, I will rebet. Whenever you win at a basic $0.1 bets or 1 unit bets, just rebets and continue the game. It's okay up to when you don't lose the spin. And as you have covered 30 out of 37 numbers from the table, it's obvious that most of the spin you are going to win. At least 80% of the chances are there that you will win the spin. Only 20% chances is there to lose. So after every spin you will get $0.1. So again I won $0.1. So what I need to do is just rebets and continue. So in this trick, it's quite easy to earn $0.1 or the minimum bets allowed on your table. It's quite easy. But the loss recovery trick, you need to understand the logic of loss recovery trick. Suppose I lose here, I will lose all the 5 position, and I will lose a 5 unit, and I have to recover the 5 unit. I may put a 5 times of my total bets in my next spin, but that is too risky. If I lose there, then I will lose totally 25 unit. That is impossible to recover in a normal game. So again I won. So what I need to do is just rebets and continue. So what I'm telling is don't increase the bets in such a way that it will become almost impossible for recover the losses if you lose somewhere. Just add 2 units to all the positions so that you will recover. Your recovery process will be a little bit faster, little bit more than your losing process. That is the important. If you lose a $5 in a single spin or 5 unit in a single spin, and after adding 2 units to all the position, you can recover all your losses in next three spin. Again, I won. So you are going to win 5 out of every 6 spin. Logically, statistically, you are going to win 5 out of every 6 spin. And for recovering your losses, you need to own only 3 spin. So logically, this is very good trick to recover your losses and to make profit. And remember one thing, for this trick, you need to have a good bankroll. Though you are playing with the minimum possible bets on the table, this is quite good in online roulette actually. I'm not talking about land-based roulette where the bet size is minimum bet size is $10 or $15. That is not the case. You can utilize this strategy. This strategy is specially designed for online roulettes where the bet size is minimum, almost $0.1. This is the minimum bets allowed on this casino, this online casino. I will not reveal the name of this casino, but it's a good casino. Its payback is quite good and easy. So I hope you understand this trick. Friends, this is quite easy. I will show you the loss recovery trick. If I lost somewhere during this game, then I will show you the loss recovery trick also. Please watch this game. Literally, I have covered almost every position of the table, 80% of the table. So the chances of winning after every spin is almost 80%. So I am losing only at 20% of the time. That is, every 6 spin I am going to win 5 spin, and I need to win only 3 spin after a losing spin to recover my losses. And the next 2 spin is going to give me the profit. Okay, again I won. So if I see logically, then after every 6 spin, I'm going to make a profit of 2 unit. That is the logic of this trick. Even if I lose my only spin, the sixth spin or any of the spin in a session, then also I will able to make a profit of 2 unit after every 6 spin. Statistically, that is the fact, but actually the profit margin will be different. It will be more. Sometime I will make a 4 or 5 units, or I can make a 1 unit alone. That is a different matter. But whenever I am winning, as you see, I have won lots of spin in a row. I haven't seen any losing numbers up to yet. Almost 5 minutes of game. So you can utilize this trick to your online roulette, especially. Never use this trick in land-based roulettes where the bank bet sizes are too high. This is especially good for online roulette. So again, I won. So up to yet, I have won 9 spin in a row. And even if I lose here, then also I will make a profit of 4 unit. That is $0.4. So this is the trick, guys. You can utilize this trick to your game. I'm interested in showing you the loss recovery trick, but unfortunately, I haven't lose anything up to yet. If somewhere a number from 1 to 6 0 will hit, then only I lose. And after that, I will show you the loss recovery trick, how you can recover your losses. So I hope I lose here. Yes, I lose. Thanks. So as I lose here, what I need to do is I just need to wait a spin. I need to skip a spin because I have seen many times that a number has been repeats, or a column, or or a section of a particular area has been repeats in online roulette. So wait for 1 or 2 spin after losing that particular area. Here in this case, I will wait for 2 spins and started recovering my losses. Just guys, don't jump up very after a losing spin to recover your losses. It might be very difficult for you. So what's I need to say is wait for at least 2 spins after the losing number, then jump up to recover your losses. Actually, I haven't lose anything. As you can see, I have started the game with $45 and still I am at 45.41 dollars. That means still I'm in a profit of 4 unit, but still I need to recover my losses because this trick is about winning 1 unit after every spin. So guys, now it's time to recover my losses. So it's what I need to do is just rebets and add 2 unit to all the position. Now it's 30. Sorry, I couldn't be able to put my bets properly. So if I win here, I will win 3 units. I have lose 5 units, and in this spin, if I win here, I will get back 3 units out of that losing 5 unit. Yes, I get back 3 units. For another 3 units, what I need to do is this time I will go with 2 units. I just reduce it to one more unit. Now it's just, oh sorry. This is the difficulty in online roulette where the time interval is too low for putting your bets. You need to prepare. You need to be very first in online roulette especially. So I have recovered my 3 unit out of 5 losing units, so just 2 more units to recover. Again, one more unit I have recovered. So this time I will put just rebets and add 1 unit to all the position so that I will recover all my losses and also make a profit of 1 unit. So this time is 20 cent or 2 unit at all the position. I have decreased from 3 to 1. Earlier it was a 3 unit spin. As I won there that 3 unit spin, I have just reduced it to 2 unit spin. So the logic is that you need to add increase 2 units after your losses. And okay, I won here also. So you can see in this 10 minutes of play, you can see my bankroll at the left top corner. It's a $46 now. I have started with a $45. I make a profit of $1. Or you can say it's a 10 unit. If you are playing with the 1 unit bets, then it's $5. Sorry, it's $10. And if you go with the 10 unit bets, then it's $100 profit in this shorter span of time. But for this too, you need to have a good bankroll and a smaller bet size on the table. So guys, I hope you like this trick. The trick is quite simple. Let me explain you again. You have to cover 5 lines out of 6 on the table, any of the 5 line. And if you lose somewhere, just add 2 units to all the 5 position. And if you win somewhere, then reduce 1 unit from all the 5 position. This is quite simple. It will recover all your losses. And as you have covered 30 out of 37 numbers from the table, the winning chances is 80% after every spin. So this is definitely going to give you the profit. The only thing is that in online roulette, especially here, I'm playing with has a limited time frame to deal your bets, put your bets. So that is the only problem. But you can manage with your experience.